Today in this video, I will show you how to create post category in your WordPress website. First, log in your dashboard and after login, go to post section and category. Here we write two categories. One is demo and second one is uncategorized. For example, test and slag is also test, and add new category. So now here we see uncategorized post count is 1. Go to all post and edit. After edit, right hand side one option is categorize. Here we see the three category: test and update. Now go to category section and see test count is 1. This way you can add category in your WordPress post section. Thank you.